If you are following me and you are not seeing changes in your hair, my dear, bring your head. I need to pour anointing oil on it. Yes, I need to pour anointing oil on it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways that you can use fenugreek to grow your hair long and thick. Please watch this video to the end.
Fenugreek gel for extreme hair growth. You'll need 1/2 cup of fenugreek seeds, 2 cups of water. Put seeds and water in a mason jar and soak them overnight. This is the next day. The water turns yellow and seeds get softer. Cook the mixture for 20 minutes to release its properties. Transfer to a blender and blend until you get a paste-like consistency. Boil the paste with 3 cups of water for 25 minutes on medium heat, and that's when the gel will form. Extract the gel with a cheesecloth. Use twice a week on scalp and ends to get beautiful long hair. And this helps with dandruff as well.
So this is another method to prepare fenugreek. So we are preparing fenugreek spray. So fenugreek is known for hair breakage, hair loss. It has nicotinic, which it is proteinous, except for your protein. If you want to do protein treatment, just take your fenugreek and use it. Now I am soaking my fenugreek in water. Fenugreek is good for hair growth, hair breakage, hair loss. Yes. So please just put that in mind whenever you are using any ingredient. So the next thing was just to leave it, then soak it for at least 12 hours. Please leave it for at least 12 hours before using it. So after 12 hours, this was how it was looking actually. So after this, just like shake it, then just train with a sieve cloth, or if you don't have a sieve cloth, you can use your scarf, then wash it later. Sure, you get. I'm so sorry I didn't show that part. I've done a lot of videos on that actually. So add it to your spraying bottle, clearly, then spray on your hair every 2 days.
What will happen to your body? Fenugreek is packed with powerful nutrients like soluble fiber, amino acids, and antioxidants that make it a game changer for your health. It's known for regulating blood sugar levels, supporting digestion, reducing inflammation, and even boosting energy. It's a natural solution for people dealing with diabetes, high cholesterol, and digestive issues. How to make it: boil a cup of water and add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds to the boiling water. Let it steep for about 5 minutes, then strain and drink while it's still warm. For the best results, consume this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can take 2 to 3 cups per day. If you're looking for more natural remedies like this, hit the subscribe button and follow us for more health tips. Start your 7-day fenugreek challenge today and see the difference for yourself.